Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing these solutions to you for CAT 2017 questions. We've got an RC question here. Before you go through the solution, make sure you have solved the passage in order to understand the solution for this question. And in case you've not solved this question so far, just pause the video, solve it, and then go through the solution. Now, the question asks you which one of the following best describes what the passage is trying to do. Remember that the passage is trying to do something very simple. Before we get into the answer options, it highlights why do we use typewriters, right? It gives you the answers to the question, why do we use typewriters in the digital age, right? I'm just using acronyms here. So typewriters, the uses in the digital age, the kind of benefits that typewriters offer us, right? And he's written it in a very positive sort of a way, right? And he's given a description where the author is trying to convince you in a way, in a very subtle way. It's not too obvious. He's trying to convince you in a subtle way that you should be using typewriters. Option number D, it shows that computers offer fewer options than typewriters. The fact is, computers are not mentioned, and there is no comparison between computers and typewriters in the passage. C, it highlights the personal benefits of using typewriters. The problem with option number C is the word personal. The author has highlighted the benefits of using typewriters, right? The fact that they clear out your thinking, make sure your thinking is precise. You can use them anywhere. They offer you privacy of a kind. These are all the benefits of typewriters. He at no point has said that you can only use them for personal reasons, hence ruled out. B, it argues that typewriters will continue to be used even though they are an obsolete technology. The author does not argue that we'll continue to use them. The author does not do that. The author only highlights the benefits of using typewriters. Option number A is the perfectly valid answer here. It describes why people continue to use typewriters even in the digital age. Perfectly correlates with our summary that we had at the start of this video. This is exactly what the author of the passage is trying to do. Hopefully so you're clear with the reasons for identifying option A as the correct answer here, and you're clear with the reasoning for this question. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.